Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your networking events with Meetup easy tutorial step by step clearly. To secure your networking events with Meetup, start by creating an account on the Meetup website. Go to meetup.com and click on sign up in the top right corner. Fill in the required information such as your name, email address, and password. Once your account is set up, log in and click on Plan a Meetup to start your event. Select a relevant group that aligns with your event theme or create a new group if necessary. Fill in the event details, including the name, description, and date. Make sure to clearly outline the purpose of the event and any specific topics to be discussed. Choose a location for your event that is accessible and convenient for attendees. Set a reasonable time for the event to ensure maximum participation. Add any special instructions or requirements, such as registration fees or materials to bring. Once all details are complete, review the information for accuracy. When satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your event live. Promote your event through social media or email to attract more attendees. Engage with participants through the Meetup platform by responding to questions or comments. On the day of the event, arrive early to set up the venue and welcome attendees. Gather feedback after the event to improve future meetups and ensure meaningful networking experiences. By following these steps, you can successfully secure and manage your networking events using Meetup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.